Hello people, it's been a long time since I didn't film any video because I've been busy lately with internship and everything. Sorry. Today I'm going to Japan by myself to have some, to celebrate the regained freedom. Yes, let's go. I mean, it's been gone. I'm going to nearest station to take the Airbus shuttle bus. It takes about an hour and 30 minutes, I think. Right now it's 7:50. My shuttle is at 8:20, and my plane is at 13:35. So once I get there, I'll go eat something around, and also I think there's something I need to do. eSIM card, yes. Incheon Airport Lounge. Breakfast. First free time after work. Korean air salt. Pretty decent leg room, like 1 or 2. Just landed in Japan, Yonago. The airport is really small. I think they have like from here to that's the end of the airport. But here they actually check your bag, so don't bring anything stupid, like including jerky or anything, because then they will catch you. Tiny train station. No one working here. You just hop in and pay at the machine or at the Yonago station. So I just made it to my hotel. It's right in front of Yonago station. It's like walking distance, obviously, like 2 minutes maybe. And once I get to Yonago station, I had to change my digital pass to actual pass, but in paper form. The lady there was really super kind. She basically did everything for me. And the pass I bought is called Tottori Matsue pass. In Japanese yen, it's 4,000 yen. But like for example, like tomorrow I'm going to Tottori station to see a Tottori Dune, Sen Dune. And to go there and to come back, I think it's more than 4,000 yen. That's what I've heard. But like this pass is valid for 3 days. Today I use it to come here. Like it's like 250 yen, so it's like nothing. But like for example, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, I'm planning on going to Matsue. And this pass also covers that. And once you get to Matsue or Tottori, there's a city tour bus. Each city, and with this pass it's free, so I recommend you to buy it. I don't think there's any sensitive information. I don't read Japanese, so I can just show it to you like this. Yes, good. But anyway, now I'm gonna go outside, check out some streets and food, because I'm a bit hungry and I'm very thirsty. So I think everything is fine besides Autumn Sangin ice vendor. It's Japanese street with rain, super heavy rain. I don't have my phone with me because it's out of battery. And I think I could go over there. So I think izakaya. And right now I'm going to a convenience store, Lawson convenience store, to buy, I don't know, a bit of a snack and the water and stuff. The Japanese convenience store. How? They got hams and the jellies and the alcohols. I heard one of this is really good. I think it does, yeah, Strong Zero. And yeah, they got everything. So let's buy some stuff to eat. So I got samgakkimbap in Korean. It's a spicy Polak roll. I think I'll like this. And I didn't know what it means, but when I was paying, it basically it's a discount, 30 cents discount. And then I got this one, tomorrow sour. I think it's a beer or yeah, I think it's beer. I don't know. But yeah, let's give it a try. I'm super thirsty. Ooh, I like the sound. It smells like a lemon. Ooh, it's good, but very sour. Yeah, but it's good. And then let's try the kimbap. For those who don't know how to fill this up, you can see the number here, right? So pull it down, number 1, all the way around. And then that's the first stage, good. And then after, it's super easy. You just pull this side. No, this side is easier. So like 1. So, and then the last one is here. Gently pull out, and then there you go. It's very good, but for me, the seaweed is a bit too chewy. But taste-wise, it's really good. And I only paid 358 yen. In euro, there'll be less than 3 euros for sure. I think in dollar as well. Korean won, there'll be 3,400원, somewhere around, but you know, that's a deal. Like 1 beer and 1 kebab. So I'm trying to do something like interesting, at least for me, which is trying sushi in different places. For example, like today I will go eat sushi from AEON, which is a Japanese version of Mart, like a Walmart for those who are Americans, and for me as Korean, like there will be like E-Mart, Lotte Mart, etc. And tomorrow I will try the the conveyor belt sushi, and on the 3rd day, which is 2 days from now, I will try to go like somewhere a bit, upscale sushi place, but not too expensive because I have a budget. So yeah, and I will try to compare like what's good. I mean, obviously the upscale sushi be better than sushi from like local supermarket, but we still have to see when it comes to cost efficiency with I would recommend this maybe or that, like so I'll try that. And supermarket run failed because they didn't have any sushi left, so I got a bento box with fried seafood, let's say fried squid. Yeah, go back to hotel and eat this and finish the Breaking Bad. After that I will go to izakaya to drink some beer and meet some locals maybe. In Japanese hotel they have a microwave for your bento box. Really, really well priced. So let's try some of the food. I don't think I'll finish the whole because I want to go to izakaya later on. So yeah, take this off, put it in the trash. First thing first, mackerel and rice. Morning, people. It's July 15. Going to Tottori. Right now it's 7:48. And there is Yonago stations, streets. Let's go. This is my breakfast. 2 Lee's coffee, latte, and red salmon salt. See you there. Finally made it to the Sand Dune place. Sadly, the shuttle bus from Tottori station, which is included with the pass, it's only available on weekend and some public holidays. So I had to take the bus number 39 from platform 0. The bus fare was 380 yen. You have to have your change because the machine doesn't give you change back. But let's go. That's the famous sand dune in Tottori. I think you need to walk for a bit because it's pretty kind of far, but it's nice. Let's go, let's go, let's go. From a distance, it looks pretty, not very steep, but in real life, it's a very steep hill. But for now, it's very windy, so it's not that hot. I came in a perfect time. Because I think last week here it was like 35, 40 Celsius degree. Whoa, crazy. It's like Hawaii or somewhere. I've never been to Hawaii, I don't know, but it feels like it. Finished. Very hot, but super nice. Look at that nature or mountains. When I checked the review of this place, I was able to see many people were visiting a sand museum, but I think I'll pass that because I'm not really into museum. Like, I live in Paris, but I've only been to famous museums in Paris one time, maybe 2 times. That's because for me it's better to see more like a nature stuff rather than a museum. Yeah, look at this, the nature. Oh, blue sky with pine trees. Come to sand dune. The Google Map will tell you to go right in front of sand dune. Here the name is a Sakyu Center, I think. So the bus stops here and then make a turn and goes down, and then that's where you're gonna get off. But I think it's worth visiting here, like this part of Tottori sand dune, because like over there is the sand dune where I was just at, and then if you walk like 10 minutes from there to here, you can see like this nice view too. And I think that's a visitor center where you can have like an ice cream, maybe coffee, something. Just back in town. I took the wrong bus first, so I paid 170, and this trip 380, total 550. That's okay, it's my mistake. But anyway, that's our station. Didn't film it, I think. And I'm trying to go to ramen store over that side. And that's the bus I took. But first, let's go book the train first and plan something in Tottori accordingly. Because someone told me that the rapid train is not very often. So I think that's something we should check first before we go eat something. This is the ramen I got. Tottori ramen. Don't know the name. It's on back street of Japan. Very calm. And look, there's a French word. Kurayoshi. I think it's a very small town. I like this hotel. I like it. This is a Kurayoshi station. And now let's walk around to see some, I don't know, monster statue. Yeah. The bad news is I don't think I can make it to Konan village, because she said it's too far and the bus is at 2:35, and I have a train at 3:30 back to my hotel, so I'll just walk around to see the town for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Found this coffee shop on Google Maps. Let's go. So guys, I went to the market again to see if they have sushi, and today they had it. So I got two different sushis, with a beer, of course. I don't know if it's highball beer or whatever. So I'll show you now. Here, this is, I don't know, so 9 pieces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pieces, yeah. This one is 5 pieces. Some contents are the same, some are different. So the total price, I think I paid around 1,300 yen. In euro, there will be around, I don't know, 9 euros for beer included, and 14 pieces of sushi, which you will never find in France. This kind of deal, obviously. Let me eat some of it, and then I'll turn it off the camera, and then I'll eat by myself because I want to watch Breaking Bad. Okay. For me, this is really good because I like sushi, but I don't really tell the difference unless it's really, really high-end sushi. Oh, very good. And then the other one from the other container. This time I'll try the salmon, a little bit grilled salmon. Sorry. Good. So, bye.